In the early days of space exploration, a brave dog named Laika became a pioneer, capturing the hearts of millions. On November 3rd, 1957, Laika was launched aboard Sputnik 2, becoming the first living creature to orbit Earth. But how did a stray dog from the streets of Moscow end up in space? Chosen for her calm demeanor, Laika underwent extensive training to prepare for the mission. Her journey symbolized a major milestone in space exploration, paving the way for human spaceflight. Although Laika's mission was one way, her legacy lives on, inspiring compassion and scientific curiosity. Although Laika's mission was one way, her legacy lives on, inspiring compassion and scientific curiosity. As we look to the stars, we honor Laika, the first dog in space, and her contribution to our journey beyond Earth.